HubSpot is more than just a CRM. It's a powerful suite of tools designed to grow your business. In this video, I'll break down each HubSpot hub, from marketing and sales to service and beyond, so you can choose what's right for your business. At the core of HubSpot is its CRM, a centralized system that organizes your customer data and lets your team collaborate across departments. Marketing Hub helps you attract and convert leads through email campaigns, automation, and powerful analytics. Sales Hub helps you close deals faster with streamlined tools like meeting links, pipelines, and automation. Support your customers post-sale with Service Hub, turning issues into opportunities with tickets, chat, and knowledge bases. CMS Hub is perfect for teams who want to build flexible, SEO-friendly websites without needing a dev team for every change. Mention that CRM is free and hubs have tiers: Starter, Pro, Enterprise. Link to HubSpot pricing page. Whether you're just starting or scaling fast, HubSpot has tools for every team. Drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links below to try HubSpot for free.